Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gonna Guitar Master Wolf with Kota the friend. They do Tell Me Why. I know why, because it's a great collab, and we're gonna look into this cool song with the capo on first. That will give us the three best chords for this song and to handle the melody as well. So put the capo on if you have. If you don't have, then just go with the same chords we're gonna teach here on Gonna Guitar. That will be the best scenario for you. And you will have it a little bit darker, but yeah, still very guitar friendly. So capo on first if you have, and then let's go over the chords together. And we have the three chords: A minor, G, and F. Okay, so we're gonna look at the A minor first, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And the final chord will be F. And that's a bar chord where you play the bar or index finger on the first fret. You cover all strings there. So push them down, and then you will add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so there you have it. The chord progression will be A minor, G, and F through the entire song. Now let's go into the melody, and we're gonna start with A minor. It goes like this. Okay, so that is to play open A together with first B, then third B, and then open E. That's the A minor part. The G part goes. That will be third on E together with open B, then first B, and third B. And then we have the F part, it's like this. Okay, so that is to play first fret on E string, and then you play that together with second G. And then a big pause, and then comes the open G, and that big pause. And that's it. Alright, so one round of this melody goes like this. Okay, so there you have it. If you want to have some beat to it, then you can put in the beat after the first pick, so to speak. So A minor, you're gonna play open A, first B, and then comes the clap there. Between that and the next note, which will be the third B. So, and the same goes with G, clap, and then F, between that and the open G notes. So that is how you can put in the clap in the melody. And then we can also handle this with just straight strumming pattern. And for doing that, we have to go back to the A minor chord and learn it. So grab that first A minor, and one string around will be. So that is one down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. And you play A minor 1, G1, and F2. mix it up with that strumming, you know where the notes are in the melody, and you build it on your own there. So that's how I handle Masked Wolf and Kota Friends Tell Me Why. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. That's my mission, to educate you and have some fun meanwhile. So hope this was nice for you, and if it was, then feel free to leave a comment, thumb up this tutorial, and even better, if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel. See you next time, guys. Until then, play tuned.